You probably have a lot of face fat and you don't even realize it. But debloating your face is actually way easier than you think, because you only really need 1 week to completely change your face. Drinking water. After you have watched this video, the first thing you need to do is drink a glass of water. But why? See, when you're dehydrated, your body retains water, and that causes puffiness. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water a day, and within 12 to 24 hours, you'll feel less puffy. Diet. Your diet is the most important aspect when debloating. First, you need to cut out processed salts, because sodium pulls water into tissues and causes facial puffiness. The easiest way to do this is by avoiding foods like chips, fast food, and noodles. Another great way to debloat is eating potassium-rich foods, because potassium helps balance sodium and it reduces water retention. Try eating more of foods like bananas, avocados, and sweet potatoes, and if you follow a good balanced diet, you'll see results in 2 to 3 days. Stop drinking alcohol. Most people don't realize this, but alcohol gives you that puffy look. This is because alcohol dehydrates your body and face and then triggers fluid retention. So stop drinking alcohol and instead drink water, and you will see results in 24 to 48 hours. Sleep is often overlooked, but it is necessary when debloating because poor sleep lets fluid collect in your face and increases inflammation. So firstly, aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night and make sure to sleep on your back with your face elevated 15 to 30 degrees. And gravity will naturally promote the drainage of fluids downwards, and this will result in a leaner face when you wake up. Icing your face. Dunking your face into ice water triggers the mammalian dive reflex, which reduces inflammation and tightens blood vessels. Just take a bowl and fill it with cold water, and then dunk your face into the water for 15 seconds. Do this 3 times, and this instantly debloats your face, so it's great to do it after waking up. So you only really need to lock in for a week to debloat your face. If you want to learn more about glowing up, click one of these videos. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.